Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A3 Pro and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open the settings, then go to additional settings, mark languages and input. Here click on manage keyboards, select the Gboard as this is our current keyboard. Go to languages, so we've got it at the top of the list, mark add keyboard, and you can either use search area to locate the language that you want to use, or you can scroll through the whole list and then add it. As you can see from now on, let me just open keyboard. From now on you've got this word icon here and you can switch between languages right here. If you want to stay with one language only, you can tap on edit icon, mark the unnecessary language, remove it, and now let me just refresh it, and now you will have one language only. Here you've got it, the word icon disappeared. So this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.